Welcome back to the channel. So today, we're gonna do a little garage update. Biggest thing is you can probably see we got a new driveway, a little bit of work. We gotta do around the property quick. It's quickly becoming fall time. As you might be able to see behind me, it's kind of a gray, cloudy morning. So let's get to it. Let's get some things done around the property and get ready for fall. Thanks for being here. So as you can see, we have a new driveway. See if I have a picture of the old one I can throw in here, but it was just kind of grass and a little bit of leftover gravel. And now the parents decided they wanted a new driveway. So we have a brand new gravel driveway. So that's pretty neat. Just did. The shed's gone. There is nothing in that shed, so it doesn't really matter. A little bit of the yard was flattened out, a little bit of rock around the house, all the way around. Dad cleaned up the carport a little bit, so we had a little bit of work done before fall, so that's nice. I mean, it was a lot of work, so the parents paid a pretty penny for it. So it's nice that it's done. I'll say that it was going to take us probably another couple years at the pace we were going to get that done. So, but there's just a couple branches I'm going to chop down quick, and then I just wanted to organize the garage a little bit, maybe show you guys a couple ideas for wintertime, slash just a couple little updates for the fall. So let's get a little bit of work done, and then we'll chat a little bit more. Well, still runs like junk, but it runs. So, as you've seen, I've been cleaning up around the garage. So, it's a mess again. There's motorcycles still here on the channel. We still do that, I think. So, just making room, move the trailer back to the lean-to, like Dad said I could this year. Be nice to have just a little more room. I need to get rid of some of the stuff over here, but the dumpster's full, so I'm starting to make a pile to load that back up after they pick it up. So I'm gonna clean up this spot a little bit more quick, just to organize the equipment over here. Might actually pull up everything against that garage door now that I have that stuff moved out of the way. Just thinking out loud. Don't know if I'll get back here today, but I want to get this area kind of also clean up that. I don't know what I think Dad called it a workbench. I don't know if that's a workbench or not, but it's a shelf. try to clean up some of this stuff that we want to save. These are speakers that need to get thrown away at this point. They've been through a little too many flooding events in their life, and I think it's time that they find their way into the dumpster, unfortunately. So I'm going to just do a little more cleanup here, try to get this looking like an actual garage again. So I'm going to turn my music back on, and you guys get to watch me on the 360. So thanks for being here. Last year I did run this as a series of videos on cleaning up the garage. So I don't know, if you guys like this content, just let me know, and I'll keep making videos on the garage and just in general around the property if there's something interesting going on at least. I could at least show you. I've traveled to a undisclosed location. This is the deer stand. Pretty much Dad built, but I helped a little bit. At least do the heavy lifting. So we're gonna be at least sitting out here. I gotta cut some shooting lanes in, as you can see still, so I better get on that. It's actually raining right now, so I'm not gonna spend a ton of time up here, but we gotta get the rest of the netting on. I think Dad ordered another one of those, and then kind of chopped down at least this initial brush right here. Kind of got a shooting lane off this direction. Gonna create one this way. Is gonna be difficult, but there is a game trail, as you can kind of see right there. There kind of seems to be one over here too, so if we can at least get these opened up, I think we'll be sitting pretty good. So, but yeah, I don't know, maybe 8 feet, 10 feet tall, I don't know, something like that. So very nice. I think every year we'll just add something to it. So one year we'll probably just end up living out here instead of the house. But anyway, all right, I'm gonna teleport back to the garage. All right, back from the undisclosed location. So deer stand, so that's gonna be happening. I might actually try to film some of that. I'll put it probably on my other channel. I have a other channel. I don't actually really post anything there. It's just the first YouTube account I ever made. So if I post something there, I'll let you guys know. If I post anything on my other channel, it will probably just be stuff that really makes no sense or I don't want on this channel per se. Just sometimes YouTube is weird about stuff, especially if it involves pew-pews, things like that. So I might just start throwing some stuff over there because I'm weird like that and I like to film things. So anyway, if I ever post something over there, I'll let you guys know. But all right, so I'm gonna stop, I think, rambling. Oh, one more rambling. We got a generator now. I'm actually gonna clean that up here really fast, but starts great. Thanks, Jason, for that. I paid you for it, but thank you, because it's in really good shape despite it looking a little crusty. Thing fires up like first pull every time, so just make sure you turn the gas off and let it drain itself out, and thing's a ripper. So Dad got the furnace set up so that we can at least run the furnace off of the generator this winter if we need to. So we're just improving the property a little bit at a time. I guess obligatory, I'm just going to say, if you figure out where this property is, please don't come by. I don't think anyone has a reason to, but it is private property, and we are American. If that is enough inference. So, with that said, thanks for being here. Subscribe to the channel. I'm just gonna either try to get rid of this guy or figure out a use for the engine. This might be coming to the channel just because this one's in decent enough shape. I think I can throw it back together quick and sell that in the spring maybe. Quick update on these two boogers. I have oil for the Magna that needs to go in. We need to throw gas in it and the battery. I've been working on that video for far too long for you guys, so hopefully here in the next couple weeks I'll get that video finished up and edited and all that stuff if it hasn't already been there. V Strom is doing V Strom things. It is raining right now, so I thought I was gonna go for a little bit of a ride, but I'm gonna probably just keep working while it's raining because I don't necessarily feel like getting wet per se. V Strom's doing good, but perfect moment. We do have a couple things to throw on that during the off season. So, tires are holding up. The not Michelin, geez Louise, Dunlop Trail Max Missions, I think is it. Those are doing good. So, yeah. Just got to get this place cleaned up a little bit, get ready for kind of fall, winter time, and deer season coming up. I have a turkey license as well, so I should probably be focusing on that a little bit too, but first things first. So anyway, back to the time lapse or whatever we're doing. the place more organized for now. Still got some tools to throw back in the box. Got my little trash pile. Got this area started to be, I guess, a little more organized. I put the trailer in the lean-to. As soon as the dumpster is open, I'll throw a bunch of that stuff away. And then I'll also probably be able to throw some of that stuff away as well. So, I think that was a good little cleanup session for today. Been at it for a few hours in my time. Your time is a lot different. But, yeah, so just trying to get everything, I guess, a little more organized before wintertime. Need to go through that shelf and get anything that can freeze out of here. Got a few things in the carport that can go in. Like I said, I just got some oil for the Magna, so I gotta edit this video still, so you're probably gonna see this one before that one ever comes out. So little just time travel type stuff for you there, but so hopefully here we have a lot of time. I've been really dragging my feet on this guy this year, but so the Magna should be back up and going soon. We'll have a video for that guy. V Strom, of course, is being the V Strom and doing everything I want it to do. So hopefully it clears up a little bit here in a minute, and I can go for a ride. So we'll see about what happens with those guys. If you want to see the old Suzukis on the channel, let me know too. I'll probably do a little more cleanup in here on my own, but you guys don't need to see all of that. So with that said, that's my channel / garage update for you guys. Thanks for being here. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. Once again, your thoughts on the Magna. I'm hoping to take the V Strom maybe camping one more time. So, hoping to do a little more content for you than I have been here before winter fully sets in. We'll see how the weather goes. Like I said at the beginning of the video, got a little hunting to do this year. So that might go on a different channel, but I'll let you guys know where that is if you want to see that stuff. If I decide to film that. And yeah. Thanks for watching. I'm Magna Mole. You guys have a wonderful day.